this new camera. I don't know how to use it. I'm using a regular light setting, I think. I believe I need to do more research on it, but I don't have time. So I feel like the camera looks more warm tone or cool tone. It looks like I have a filter on, and I'm not used to that. I prefer my iPhone 7 Plus camera. I'm used to it, but I changed camera, so I don't know. Supposedly it's better or more professional. It has like 3 lenses. I don't know. It's just, I feel like I prefer this camera better, but I don't have storage, so that's why I have to switch camera anyways. So I'm gonna blah 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 stuff. So if y'all like it better, please let me know or give me tips, because I don't know. Because I do have a ring light on, but it's still, it looks like I don't, the lighting is off, right? I don't know, maybe it's me. Anyway, so I'm gonna finally do a Dr.Zenovia unboxing. I received this a few days ago, but I've been trying to do a lot of glam light looks, because this weekend, I believe, is the last day that we're gonna choose the winner. See, I'm used to the other camera. You're supposed to look up here and this side, but now I'm supposed to look here to you guys. I got the habit of just looking here where you're supposed to. Anyway, and it's a lot. Okay, so this is a box. So it came with a few products. So this one looks, let me open it. Okay, I see one that I already got sent before. I already got sent the scar gel treatment, and listen, I don't know if this works, because I recently had a scar, a cut, because I was washing dishes and the broke freaking fell out of my hands and then slipped and then made me cut. Look, myself, look, it's right there. Look, there's still a scar. It used to be more red, but it's blending in with my skin tone. That's why being a Cinderella washing dishes. Just kidding, but for those who are just washing dishes, a scar happened. That sucks, because I was trying to be a hand model, but I guess not anymore. That's freaking sad. Oh well. So supposedly this works. So as soon as I got my cut, I put this quickly for like a week and a half or 2, but I noticed it made it more severe, like more noticeable, or it looked like it took less time to heal than it usually does. When I get cut, it heals more faster than when I use this. I don't know if it's this or just because this was a more deeper cut, but I stopped using it supposedly for, you're supposed to use it for like 2-3 weeks or 1 month. It says apply 2 to 3 times daily for 8 weeks. I was like, I'm not going to do this for 8 weeks, because for 2 weeks I didn't notice a difference. I thought that it made it more bad, or it made it, my scars look more noticeable. Maybe I'm tripping, I don't know. But I was like, you know what, I don't want to make it worse. So I decided to let it still heal, and it still hasn't healed. Yeah, you can still see a scar. So. And for older scars, apply twice a day for 3 to 6 months. I'm not gonna apply this for monthly. I'm gonna forget. I always forget to apply certain things, and it's way too much of a commitment. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna give this away. Probably gonna add it on my recent giveaway. I'm just gonna add it, because I already have one and I don't even use it, so it's a waste for me. So. But these 2 products I haven't used. I don't think it's a 5% benzoyl peroxide acne spot treatment. So I do have acne here and there, but right now I don't have anything. These are just scars from skincare. I know. So I don't know if I'm gonna use this. Well, spot treatment. When I have an acne, I'm just gonna put it on and see if it works. And then the next thing is Bakuchiol hydrating cleanser. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that word, I don't know how to say it. I do need a lot of hydration. I do have dry skin, so I'm definitely gonna try this out, and I hope this works and my skin doesn't react. So that's pretty much it. That's for the unboxing. I'm probably gonna use the cleanser today because I don't have a pimple, and I'm not gonna use the scar gel treatment. And it came, of course, with a little card, and it says the info, you know, about it. So supposedly this cleanser helps with what for sensitive skin, so I do have that, so I hope this works. It has like green tea and botanicals, helps brighten, nourish, hydrate, and protect the skin. So right, that's good. So and where's it? The benzoyl peroxide acne spot treatment. Sorry, I'm supposed to look here, not here. I'm just getting it has aloe vera as well, so it helps soothe acne prone and sensitive skin, which I do have. And well, this I already told you. So yeah, whatever. So yeah, everything is available in Sephora or their website if you're interested. I do not have a discount code. They just kindly send me free gifted products monthly, or every few months they just send me their products. So yeah, I just do reviews and post about it. That's it. So it's not a paid campaign either. I don't get paid for unboxing or reviewing their products. They just send it for free, and like, okay, cool. All set for sure. If I just have to say a review, like, sure, why not? So yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. Bye. No, I'm gonna insert a clip of me washing my face. Okay, bye. Okay, so I didn't do any makeup today. I showered a few hours ago, so I haven't washed my face. So I just rinsed my face with water real quick. So now I'm gonna use the cleanser. Comes with a sealing safety seal. I forgot this. No wonder I squeezed it and nothing came out. So let's see. Let's see how it looks. Oops, I made a mess. It's white and clear. Smells very strong, lemony. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna rinse my face with water. So, okay, I'm back. My skin did not react badly to this, thank God, because imagine. So this is a close-up of my skin. This is all my flaws. So as you can see, it's not red, like irritated. It's normally how my skin looks with the scarring. So I think I like it for now. But we'll see. I have to test it out a little bit more. Okay, now I think I'm gonna try out their Benzoyl acne spot treatment, because I think I have these two. I think they're pimples. I don't know. Let's see. This is how it looks. Okay, so it's pretty white clear. It has this so strong scent. I don't like how their stuff smells. It has that distinct smell, like, I don't know, chemical or medicine. I don't know, something. So I don't have a mirror. Someone outside anyway, so my skin didn't react badly with this either, so I think I liked it for now. First impressions made my skin react badly, so that's good. So I don't know if I'm gonna continue using it, because I also got sent these Replenics products, and I forget to use this daily as well, so I don't know, it's hard to keep up. But both of them, these products are great, and they're from different brands, so yeah. So I think I might end it here. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.